This episode is about the shopping. I don't really like shopping except the bike shop. Today I'm going to buy to my daughter Julia her first motorcycling gear, and it's a surprise for her. And I want to see her reaction when I told her which shop we're going. I think today will be lots of fun, and I hope you will like this video. Say hi, Ali.
Hi.
Okay, Julie. We're going right now to shopping, and do you know which shop we go?
No idea.
No. Okay. I give you a clue. We're going shopping in the bike shop. What's the clue says?
No idea.
Okay. We're going now buy your very first motorcycling gear. Are you happy or are you sad?
Happy.
Oh, do you know what? I'm not getting paid enough for this.
Hold down.
If Ozzy promised you that you're gonna get paid, it's not happening.
We'll see.
Can we play hide and seek? But what if we get kicked out?
That will be fun too.
Yes! Finally something funny. I'm fine.
Don't run. Okay, left and right. She's not home. Small.
Yellow, light. I thought it's gonna be red.
Okay, see it?
That was pretty cool too.
Yeah, looks good. Yeah.
And you will be reflective in nighttime.
No back
We need shoes.
protection.
Wait,
Okay,
I need
you go to
gloves.
try this. Take that. Try the jacket, Julie.
How do I try it when there's something in it?
You think it will be better? Take the jacket off.
And it will soften up when you take it on and off a few times. It will get softer and easier to put on, okay? Just obviously because it's new, it sometimes feels like it's squeezing on, but it is okay. You will get used to it, but it just takes sometimes a bit of getting used to.
Such a happy dance.
The helmet, the gloves, the pants and the jacket, yeah?
Someone's excited. Where would you like your first adventure with Otzi to be?
America.
America. In Ireland.
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah? So where's your first request to go with?
I'd like to go to Barra.
There I come.
Yeah.
Okay, bye, girl.
Bye.
Buys the shoes.
Buys the shoes. Okay. Lovely second. You'll have a happy dance.
Wow.
It feel good?
There you
Can I
go.
go hide downstairs?
No.
No, only upstairs. A little bit, but not as busy.
Right, so now that we can hide over here. This is gonna be hard. Okay. I'm over in this place.
She runs somewhere far. Where is she?
Don't forget she could be in between the clothes too.
Yeah, yeah.
He's not here. I think I just heard him. Okay.
Where is she?
Not so wrong a second ago. Oh, look at that big hole. Look at it. Oh, I heard him. I literally just heard him.
Do you have a hammer there, Ray? Do you have a hammer
I found you.
I found her. No.
Come on. Come on, quickly.
Where is he?
I'm not here.
Where is
Here
he?
a second ago.
Did he hide from me? Or is it just a coincidence?
A belt.
There's a belt that you
Because
can
if I
wear.
fall asleep, I'd be in big trouble. Rides are boring. But when it's like snow, I'd be happy.
Yeah, we had one here the other day.
Ah, I see.
There you go. There it is. Right,
Yeah.
rider grips.
Yeah.
Yeah. Those are what you need anyway for.
Okay.
She'll just hold on to you.
Okay.
This is a great day spending all Dad's money, huh?
Yeah.
Feels good.
Best day.
Very far from you.
Can I take that and go?
Oh, busy day of shopping.
You go.
You have my bag.
I don't have your bag.
I
You
did.
had the bag?
I didn't have your bag. Maybe you left it in the car.
Oh, you left it.
Upstairs?
don't know. Go try. Race day. I got this thingamajig.
What's that thingamajig? That's for holding on.
Yeah.
So Otzi body's on the bike. And shoes. You happy?
Yeah. And I lost my bag.
Didn't lose your bag.
Okay, tell me what we have.
Gloves. That's 2.
Check.
And then we got boots. Gear. My bag.
Okay.
I got my bag, so that counts. And this.
Okay, what are you doing, Julie?
I'm gonna scare Mom.
Scare, man. With what?
Down here.
Ah, you put on a gear on.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay.
Don't film me while I'm doing it.
You have a clothes on stuff.
Today was a great day because today I got my first motorcycling gear and we played hide and seek and I can't wait until we go our first 10 days all around Ireland.